Hi you guys, it's Lisa. I'm super excited to bring you this little video today. Stamperia sent me this box with product in it and I wanted to show it with you. It is amazing. So I haven't looked at it yet. I'm going to do it with you. My friend Kathy's here and we're going to take a peek at all the goodies that they sent me to play with and make videos with. So I'm going to be busy, and each time I make a video, I'll show you the complete product. Here is a 12 by 12 pad of pattern paper. Their paper is the best. This one's called Provence. The second one here is called Imagine, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at those faces. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to get started. So I wanted to show you all this first. Here is my most favorite, and it is Mechanical Sea World, and I just don't know where to start. I'm so excited about all of it. So thank you so very, very much, Stamperia. And like I said, I'm very excited to get started. Now this pattern paper is a garden, and actually I had already purchased this from the company, and I have a video that I've already done, and I will share that with you. I took this pattern paper and it is very hard to cut up because it's so gorgeous. But here is the actual piece that I did on a piece of MDF board, and I will show that video with you right away. Another 12 by 12 pattern paper pad. This one is a wedding collection, and boy, we'll be using this for wedding cards in the near future. Lots and lots of wonderful, wonderful things. Another pattern paper pad, and it's called Letters. Look at those dragonflies and poppies. I think those are peonies, but they must have known that I liked dragonflies, because whoever picked this out for me, it's right up my alley, and I'll be excited to use it. Another one called Grand Hotel. This one, lots of flowers, lots of wallpaper looking, background paper. Gonna be super fun. Yep, and yes, another one. This one is called Time, and this one I know that I'm going to have to set aside for a very special video, because I think I can use it in my mixed media and everything. Look at that great grunge. Look at those circles. It's going to be very hard, like I said, to cut this up. Here is a bunch of chipboard. Wonderful. Chipboard also, and I'm thinking it's a telephone. I'll have to kind of research this before I open it. And then look at all of these 8x8s. I've got the Sea World, Imagine, Provence, Azulos. This one is all in foreign language. And then Flowers for You and a Cosmos. That one's going to be really cool too. So yeah, they're 8x8 pattern paper pads. That's very hard to say. And just their paper is just absolutely amazing. So you're wondering how I got to get all this free product. Well, when I was in Creativation with Frankie from Let's Create, this was my #1 booth that I wanted to approach to work with. So I was there right away, first person, on Saturday morning when the showroom floor opened. And I connected with Antonio and Giovanni, and they're great guys. Giovanni is the son of the owners of the company, and we got talking. I actually got a meeting with him, and I said that I wanted to create for him. So he's going to give me a try. Let me see what I can do. Look at these great stamps they sent me. Perfect. Totally look like mixed media, right up my alley. These are going to be some adorable chipboard dolls. I think I'll treat them like paper dolls. Super fun. And anyhow, yep, I got a meeting with Giovanni, and he said he would send me a whole bunch of products to create videos with. So that is what I'm going to do. And hopefully, you know, one thing will lead to another and we'll be able to work together. We'll see what happens. This is a great stencil they sent me. A nice paintbrush. You can never have too many paintbrushes. Beautiful sun stamp. I got this great mold, and here is a journal that has the really cool new paper on it. And like I said, I'll do a little research, and it's stone paper, that's what it is. So that'll be fun to create another little journal. This looked like handmade paper to me, maybe something for watercolor, I'm not sure, but I'll check it out. Another neat stencil. And look at these really cool molds. We've got some purses and some little bottles there at the bottom, some perfume bottles. This is a spray pen, which was pretty cool. You can attach it right to your pocket or your shirt, and you'll always have your spray with you. And then another mold there in the bottom, and it's got some acorns and some birds and a leaf. So my box is empty, but my brain is full. I'm going to have so many great videos coming. Thank you again, Stamperia, and we will keep on crafting, and we'll see you soon. Stamperia, thank you.